In the last episode, we took the XR's engine apart due to internal wear from sand ingestion. In this episode, we try fixing the engine through unconventional methods and add some tasty, rare options from overseas. This is Uncouth Churlishness. Our story begins in this wonderful field of dreams. This eclectic slice of Americana was filled with a variety of machines of old. Diverse as it was, there are still some oddities to be found. My brother was managing the estate sale for his neighbor and found a rare gem hidden in plain sight. That rare gem was this: a Chinese ATV frame with a complete and mostly original xr600r engine. Obviously made from a six-pack in a dream, this junkyard dog might be the key to fixing my XR. The first thing we had to do was remove the engine from its home. One can appreciate the ingenuity of this build, but the fact is the welds are trash and it was only held in by 2 bolts.
A new blade?
Yeah, that'd be nice. It's hot, you change it. Wanna go fast? It's like that scene from Austin Powers. Where he's in the hallway with the golf cart. We're done. Okay, well, how about we gotta tear up this here other four-wheeler. Come on now, take one. So there's 2 bolts on the bottom in there. Let me cut this chain because that's a lot of things. Oh, come on! You could have been doing things while I was doing other things.
I'm gonna have to quit.
I would probably cut that.
Can I just put it somewhere?
No, you're the tripod. You gotta hold it.
No, I'm not holding it.
If you want a water balloon fight, you gotta hold it.
Can I just sit somewhere? I need to sit somewhere. I'm not staying here.
You're doing a great job, Lana.
Uncle Matt, you're funny.
I know.
You're funny money. You have to give me about $1 for this, okay?
I'll think about it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Lana,
He don't know.
Lana, come here, pick this up. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose a finger. Yeah. She's out.
Done?
We're done. Okay, we got our engine out of the frame. Successful score. Grabbed the wiring harness with it, and now we are out of here. With the engine on the bench, we can really look at it and see what we got. Right off the bat, I started noticing a few broken items, such as these weird welded exhaust flanges, which were a ton of fun to remove, along with these broken fins. But for what's essentially a free engine, I'm not going to complain. Okay, for the first time, I'm about to tear into this motor and see what's inside. I have done nothing but pull it from the frame it was in. I haven't touched anything. So let's start here. A little dusty, but that's okay. Oh yeah, she looks good. So far so good. Okay, let's pull the spark plug here, and I'll stick a bore camera down and we'll look in the cylinder to see what that looks like. As you can tell by the valves, the piston and cylinder look really good. All in all, a quick dusting with an air compressor to blow all this debris out of the motor, and this thing's ready to go. Looking inside the head, everything looks to be in order. Nothing looks bent, warped, overheated. Everything looks to be okay. Something right there doesn't look right. See right where the light's hitting down in there? That cam lobe in the background doesn't look right. Something looks off. Now I gotta pull the valve cover, but I'm scared to because on the other engine I broke these 2 bolts. I think that one too. These are really soft and they're very long. They go all the way down to the bottom of where the fins start. And this is where I made my biggest mistake, and I hate myself for doing it. If I just would have left this engine alone, I would have solved so many problems. But instead, thanks to my autism, I made more problems than were ever necessary. I can feel it twisting and not wanting to move. I really don't want to break it, so try some more heat. Oh, there we go. All right, that's a big win. I feel like this guy's gonna be a problem. I can feel it twisting like it wants to break. I'm scared to pull it out of there. We're only at 166 degrees-ish, so we're not getting too hot here. Man, I can feel it twisting. That one's it's gonna break. I don't think there's much I can do about it. Fortunately, I think I'm just gonna have to get it out of there. There it is. These long bolts are always hard to get out. Just like on my engine, there's a little bit of a wear spot there. Some sediment settled where this bike will lean to the left. This is the left side of the engine. All in all, it looks really good. I really wish I would have paid a little more attention. I thought the valves were stuck open. It was the exhaust valves that were open. And the only reason I'm taking this apart is because I broke that bolt that is right here. Really a big pain in the butt. Don't need to do all this, but unfortunately I have to. But at least it's good. We can take this off, look at the piston, check it out, make sure we're not wasting any time. But this engine feels pretty okay for what it is. For 30 years old, it doesn't look too bad. I'm willing to bet this would have fired up if I hadn't have broken that bolt off. Getting that out is going to be so much fun. Okay, so we have the center drilled out pretty close to the center. I'm going to try some of these easy out bits. Hopefully either one of them will grab it, but no promises. Definitely biting down, but I don't know if it's going to be able to pull it out. God, the worst thing that would possibly happen would be to break it off with a hardened bit inside. My God, we'd have to take everything off, which I mean, we're already there. It wouldn't be the end of the world, but come on. Hey, it's like I can read the future. Fuck. With the hardened steel reverse bit broken off in the hole, there's nothing else to do but admit defeat and call in reinforcements. I took my original cylinder head and my new-to-me jug to my friend Matt's shop and attempt to weld on a nut and extract these broken fasteners.
Look at that contraption right there.
Oh, look at warped the nut. Dang. That's a lot of heat.
It is.
I hope that mating surface is still flat.
Oh, that's not happy. A lot longer than I thought it was.
Mm-hmm. All right, what a win.
1 win.
1.5 wins? Unfortunately for us, this would be our last win.
Tap is out.
That's a win. Well, there's still some tap in there too. It's a start.
Yeah.
Nobody's doing anything.
At a time and ill-equipped with the wrong drill bits, we decided to let this rest and we'll come back to it another day. But look at this super rare Honda xl600LM tank that I ordered from Germany. This thing is super rare and super awesome. It's all steel, really thick heavy gauge walled steel, really nice production, made for a few years, only available overseas to celebrate Honda's victory at the Paris-Dakar Rally in the 80s. It's got a few dents, it's got a little bit of rust, all of which we'll take care of in the next episode. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.